Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to do a new series potentially. Let me know what you guys think down below. It's pretty much focusing on a particular contact lens, like a colored contact lens, and doing an eye makeup that matches the contact lens because I feel like I have pretty much every single color. So I want to help you guys, like create nice eyeshadow look along with the contact lens you're wearing, if that makes sense. So today we're gonna focus on green color contact lens, and I'm pairing this with a very simple brown, semi-brown smoky eye look. If you guys are interested, just stay tuned and keep on watching. First thing first, coffee. It's been such a hot day, so I definitely need this. Let's focus on the base makeup first, and I'm going to use the VDL Lumilayer Primer. I realized that I haven't been using this ever since I was like decluttering my makeup, and I was like, you know what? Let's use this primer today. It definitely has like this iridescent finish, but it gives you a really nice glow finish. If you're looking into putting, like a glowy finish kind of base, this would be like the best primer, and it's like so moisturizing. For the concealer, I'll be using the Peripera Double Longwear Cover Concealer. Definitely cover up any blemishes or redness. I have a really bad scar here from my last pimple, so I'm gonna cover this up and a few around like my forehead area. Man, my breakout lately hasn't been the best at all. The foundation I will be using is this Moonshot Micro Correctfit foundation. I decided to get this foundation a while back because I was obsessed with the cushion. It gives you a really nice semi-matte glow finish, hence why I really like it. And the color for this one is 301, which I believe is like the darker shade in the collection. For the brows, I'll be using my favorite brow pencil, and this is the HERA Brow Designer Auto Pencil in the shade number 33. Brows are done. Now onto the eyes. We're going to prime first, and I'm using this VDL Expert Color Primer for eyes, which is just like a translucent shade because I know this one comes in like different shades now, but mine is just the translucent one. Eyeshadow palette that I'll be focusing on is this Etude House Play Color Eyes Bake House. The reason why I want to use this particular palette because of all the brown base tone. I love the neutral brown. I love how warm it is. There's no hint of like orange undertone or red undertone. I just wanted something with just like a neutral brown undertone because I feel like brown eyeshadow really match with green color contact lenses, and it really helps to make the green color contact lenses pop up more. So let's hope I can achieve that look today. Using a fluffy brush like this, I'll be using this particular brush to dip into one of this light neutral brown shade onto my crease area. Taking this kind of brush, which is like a fluffy flat brush, I will be applying this on top of the crease again to deepen up the crease a bit more, but also have like two shades on the crease line as well. Then taking a brush like this, which is much more pointier at the top but a bit fluffy as well, I'm going to apply this particular shade onto just the middle, like on my lid space, and just focusing just on my lid area. Pretty much where I didn't apply the previous shadows, remaining just apply on the lower lash line. And using another flat brush, I'm sure you guys can see the pattern here. This time I'll be using this color on the deepest shade and just slowly patting this color just on top of the previous color. Just slowly patting this in, just pretty much making this shade area darker. And leftover, just apply on the outer part of the lower lash line. The last step is I'll be using this flat brush here and apply a little bit of glitter onto the middle part of the lid space. Usually I would use my finger for this particular glitter, especially when it comes to Etude House or Korean eyeshadows, but I didn't want the glitter to be that reflective. I just want a hint of just a bit of glitter in the middle. So just as you can see, just focusing on just the middle and just planting this glitter in. So I went off camera to put my eyeliner, tight line, mascara and also fake eyelashes because I'm not good applying eyeliner on camera. What I did was I just did a really nice brown eyeliner wing and then went over with a brown eyeshadow as well just to smooth out any harshness. And then for the tight line I also used like a brown gel pencil. All those products I'll put in the description box below as well. The lashes I'm wearing is a lashes that focuses on the length in the middle rather than outward, so that way it just makes it more look like a rounded eye look rather than a wing, like a sharp edge look, if that makes sense. The lashes I'm using is from Petite Cosmetics called Sunny, which I really like but definitely have much more like a thicker band. So if you want to skip the eyeliner you can as well, because this lashes will also help accentuate the light effect as well. I also want to add a little bit of touch for the bottom lash line, and I have this cream gel liner here from Colourpop. This is called the... I'm not sure what this one is called, but I'll put it in the description box below. But pretty much this is like a beautiful olive color. It's called Wildcat. To finish off the eye look, I will also apply mascara on the lower lash line just to extend my lashes at the bottom. The eye look is now complete. I'm going to finish off the rest of my face. I'm going to bronze my face up and I'm using my Bobbi brown bronzer in the shade Natural. I've actually hit the pen on this, but I decided to bring this up because it's been a while since I actually last used this, and I absolutely love how brown this makes my face look, especially because this Moonshot foundation is a little bit white for me at the moment because it's summer. I got a bit darker, so putting this bronzer would just help even out my complexion. I'm using this blusher palette from CLIO, which I feel like is such a good like blusher from CLIO because it's like 6-in-1. One of it is a highlighter and the rest are blush. I'm going to use something really natural because I want the focus to be on the eyes. So I'm gonna use this neutral peach shade here for my blush. The highlighter I'm using is from Peripera and this is the V Highlighter. What I like to do is actually swirl all three colors together because I feel like that just gives a nicer highlight finish, I guess. And just apply on the high cheek area. So natural. A bit on my nose and a bit on my cupid as well. Last step is the lip, and I'm using this Peripera Water Drop Ink Drop Tint, which I'll have a full review for you guys coming up really soon. But this is more like a pink mauve shade, and I'm just applying this like briefly because I want the focus to be on the eyes, but I want a bit of colors on my lips as well. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want me to make it into a full series, if you do, let me know what eye contact you want me to focus on for a makeup look. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.